welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to do a flip through of Luna. This is Maria Trolle's latest book. I actually got this at the end of April, right after I did my April haul video. It finally showed up, and so I was like, oh shoot. And then I put it in my basket of things I put off to the side and never did the flip through video. So here I am, super late to the game. But anyway, this is her latest book. It is on Amazon. You can also get it on Book Depository. You can get it on Book Depository sooner than Amazon before, but now that it's on Amazon, that's usually the fastest route. So let's take a look. It is a little thinner than her previous books, or at least I should say thinner than the two I have. I have Twilight Garden and Botanicum. So compared to those, this is thinner in pages, or fewer pages, but it's not a big deal. Like, I mean, every artist has their thickness of books. I don't hold that against them. It's the same hardbound and same paper, including it has like that cream finish. And it feels about the same thickness. So anyway, here is the belongs to page, which is actually really pretty. And I love how she does this in all of her books, where she puts to my family. Okay. I feel like I am missing a page, but I'm not. Okay. All right, so here we are on the first set of pages. I like how this transfers over. And this is the first time I've opened it. I've had it sitting here since the end of April and just realized this. Whoops. I was in such a hurry to get the darn thing, and then it shows up and I'm like, oh, haha, never mind, forget about it. That's really pretty. So it has her traditional Maria Trolle style. Oh, that's cute. She's popping out of the flower. And then I love how she always has some black backgrounds. It, like, for one, it saves me the hassle of making a background, and two, your colors just automatically pop and look gorgeous. It's pretty also. I am noticing right away, you know, compared to the other two I have, you'll have the girl to color a lot more. It's not a big deal, like you don't have to make her super realistic. Look, she's even in the lily pads. I like this though, because it's kind of, you know, you got the lily pad thing over here and here. So I like how it's got its theme going, I guess you could say. That's really pretty too. That would be a fun one. Bunnies. Always bunnies in her books. Oh, this would be fun to do a night background. One thing I like about Maria Trolle is, I might break the spine a little, how some, like, you know, have the black background, but also some have these frames already drawn for you. I dig that a lot, actually. It's really pretty. That one's cute, with a cherry blossom tree. She has a lot of these circular ones as well. Let's see, and here's the black background. Things just pop off the page. This book has a lot of people in it compared to the others that I have from her. The others were like, oh, sorry about that, guys. The others were, you know, you just have like one or two scattered images, but this one has it a ton. But it'd be fun, like, just to color the little girl. The octopus. Oh, the sleeping mermaid. That's pretty. Let's see, look at the frames. Very pretty. Double page spread. Now, it's kind of a bummer how they made this. See, like, your spine right here? It's going like right in the middle of the girl. It's the one bummer when the artist does so much work on these awesome double page spreads and then you can't really like get in there. I actually like that one. I mean, you have to like sharpen your pencil and kind of just play around with it and like wiggle in between the crease, but some artists like pre-plan and you'll see their images are planned around the fact that they know it'll be cut off by the binding. I like that treehouse one. That's actually really cute. Oh, this would be perfect for fall. Okay. Oh, that would be fall too with the pears and peaches. Yeah, the girl is in this one a ton compared to the other ones. Just gives you time to practice your skin tones. I would have had this in my May pages, but I forgot it was sitting in my basket. Maybe I'll still sneak a page in this month. Let's see, getting towards the end, but pages are sticking together. Oh, that one is super cute. I like that one. And that one's too. She makes such gorgeous books. Ooh, I like that. Look, she's sleeping in between the flowers. That's pretty. We got another double page spread. That'll be a fun one to do. A lot of detail work for those flowers, but still. Got some more black background ones. Only thing with these is you have to make sure you didn't just put lotion on or something, because it will, like, if you have any grease on your fingers, totally show on those. That's a pretty one for nighttime. Both of these for nighttime. I like it. And then, as always, like in the back of all her books, she has the plant register. So she tells you what they are. That way, if you want to look it up and color it more realistic, or if you're just kind of curious like what the heck it is, you can check it out that way. And then she has, you could still even color this here. And then she has a test page that you could just color or still use it for test. It says test your pens. What about pencils? But either way, that is the end. There's the back cover too. I love this one though. I like the pinks and the purples. But this looks like a fun one to work on. Like I said, it has more of the little girl in it than, you know, her other books. Like you'll have maybe just a few here and there. But still, it's super cute. Like I said, it is definitely thinner than the other two I have. And she has more than just 3 books total. I just happen to only have those 2 in this because I just recently discovered her and I wasn't about to drop all that money on all of them. But it is thinner than the 2 I have. So thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize so much for the background noise. Hopefully it's not loud on your end as it is on mine. But until next time, take care.